Ayoka, the child over whom many people shall rejoice all around. Ọmọ tá torí rẹ̀ yọ̀ kárí gbogbo ayé. There are two main words in that Oríkì, the words yọ̀ and ka. Yọ̀ means to rejoice, to do something out of joy, to be full of joy, to be exceedingly grateful and happy. And ka means to encircle. It is also found in the word kari, ka, ori, meaning to completely encircle. Ka in this case can mean completely and all around. Ayoka is therefore the child whom people rejoice all around as a result of this child. The child who causes rejoicings all over the place. The child who encircles our vicinity and neighborhood or family and what have you with moments of joy. The child who always brings us reasons for rejoicing. Ayoka, this is a child whom many people shall rejoice to see. Wherever this child goes, joy follows. Ọmọ tá máa torí rẹ̀ yọ̀ kárí ayé. Ọmọ tá yọ̀ ó máa tẹ̀lé káàkiri. This child is the joy that affects anywhere and anybody in any place here on earth. Ayoka, the child who spreads joy all around. Such a very interesting and beautiful Oríkì. Wàá Ṣere.